Okay, you guys, we just saw our dog,
Mommy.
but he is getting a bath right now because he pooped in his cage. Hey, you guys, welcome back. We are at Wendy's right now, about to eat, and then today we are going to meet our god dog named Tucker. I'm so excited. So you guys will get to see him here in a minute. He is our friend's new dog. So yeah, that's about it. We're gonna eat and then go over there and meet him for the first time. Alright guys, we'll be right back. Oh yeah, and Mia just woke up. That's why she's so mad. But we'll be right back. Okay you guys, we just saw our god dog.
Mommy.
But he is getting a bath right now because he pooped in his cage. And he stepped in it, I think. So he is up there getting a bath right now. Oh my gosh, he's so cute!
This is what he looks like.
You can't see. No, it's not! No, he's so cute! Oh my gosh! Mia!
This is what he looks like.
Mia!
That's him. Just kidding.
No, it's not.
Look at me.
What are you doing, Mia?
Okay.
Mia, tell him how cute he is.
Cute.
What?
Just cute.
He's so cute.
And put a bow on him.
You want to put a bow on him? Okay, we'll be right back, you guys, and you get to see him.
Yeah. And bye bye.
Hey, you guys, we are feeding Miley right now. That's pretty much it. We're feeding Miley. She's eating strawberry banana. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's short little video and liked seeing Ranger. He's a very cute dog, isn't he, you guys? Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have a dog and what kind of dog, or if you have a god dog and what their name is and what kind of dog they are.
And what different color?
Yeah, what color they are. Let us know down in the comments below. If you guys haven't subscribed to us already, please hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up, please. Yeah. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Vlog you later. Bye.
Bye. Vlog you later. Vlog.